Continuation po ng ating face sign and symptoms. Nose pain pa rin. Nose pain. So, excluding acute invasion of wind cold and wind heat, nose pain may be due to lung heat, damp heat, lung insufficiency with empty heat or cancer. Lung heat may cause nose pain in acute conditions when the pathogenic factor enters the chi level. When nose pain is caused by damp heat, it is accompanied by a sticky yellow discharge and a feeling of heaviness and heat in the face. When caused by empty heat of the lungs, nose pain is accompanied by a dryness and feeling of heat in the nose, with nasal scabs and redness. It should be borne in mind that nose pain also may be caused by carcinoma of the nose, in which case the nose pain extends to the head and there is nosebleed with a swelling of the nasal mucosa. So nose pain. Summary: acute invasion of wind cold, acute nose pain, aversion to cold, fever, sneezing, runny nose with white discharge, floating tight pulse. Acute invasion of wind heat, acute nose pain, aversion to cold, fever, sticky yellow nasal discharge, sore throat, body aches, floating rapid pulse. If lung heat, so there is acute pain, acute nose pain after an invasion of external wind. Fever, red face, and nose. Cough with expectoration of yellow phlegm. Thirst, rapid overflowing pulse. Damp heat. Nose pain, red cheeks, sticky yellow nasal discharge, cheek pain, feeling of heat in the face, and of heaviness of the head. Sticky yellow nasal discharge. Lung yin deficiency with empty heat. So there is dull nose pain, scabs on the nose, dry nose, malar flash, dry cough, night sweating, floating, empty, and rapid pulse. Cancer of the nose. Nose pain extending to the head. Nosebleed, swelling of nasal mucosa. Invasion of wind. Nose pain, runny nose, sneezing, aversion to cold, fever, headache, stiff neck, floating pulse. Other symptoms and signs depend on whether it is wind cold or wind heat. Lung and stomach heat. So the nose pain, there is black nose, red nose, nosebleed, cough, slight breathlessness, feeling of heat, there is chest ache, flaring of nostrils, thirst, red face, burning gastric pain, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, full breath, red tongue with a yellow coating, and overflowing rapid pulse. Stomach channel damp heat. Nose pain, sticky yellow, and nasal discharge. Facial pain, redness of the nose and forehead, black nose, sticky yellow tongue coating. Lung yin deficiency with empty heat. So, nose pain, dryness and feeling of heat of the nose, scabs on the nose, red nose, malar flash, dry cough or with scanty, sticky sputum that may be blood tinged, dry mouth and throat at night, weak and or hoarse voice. So may night sweating po siya, tiredness, feeling of a heat of a low-grade fever in the evening, 5-pound heat, then thin body or thin chest. May insomnia, anxiety, Yung kanya pong tongue ay red without coating. So, floating, empty, and rapid falls. Liver blood stasis. So, severe po yung nose pain. Nosebleed with dark blood that may be associated with the period in women. Dark nose, breeds, headache, hypochondrial and or abdominal pain. Painful periods, menstrual blood, dark and clotted masses in the abdomen. So yung nail po niya ay purple din at saka yung lips. Then may purple or dark complexion. Yung kanyang pong tanga ay purple din. Then ang pulse ay wiry or firm. Pag carcinoma naman sa nose, so there is nose pain extending to the head, nosebleed with a swelling of the nasal mucosa. Thank you po for your attention.